Expanding tuples into arguments. Is there a way to expand a Python tuple into a function, as actual parameters? For example, here expand does the magic. I know one could define myFun as myFun A, B, C, but of course there may be legacy code. Thanks.
myFun sum_tuple does exactly what you request. The operator simply unpacks the tuple, or any iterable, and passes them as the positional arguments to the function. Read more about unpacking arguments.
Note that you can also expand part of argument lists.
Take a look at the Python tutorial section 4.7.3 and 4.7.4. It talks about passing tuples as arguments. I would also consider using named parameters, and passing a dictionary, instead of using a tuple and passing a sequence. I find the use of positional arguments to be a bad practice when the positions are not intuitive or there are multiple parameters. This is the functional programming method. It lists the tuple expansion feature out of syntax sugar. Redefine apply _tuple via curry to save a lot of partial calls in the long run. Example usage. Similar to Dominicus's answer, this is a decorator that converts multi-argument accepting functions into tuple accepting functions. Example 1. Example 2.
Listen come in the sun.